Hello viewers, welcome in another episode. I know this parcel is on the way to me. This is gift from another YouTuber from Poland, and I plan to film it, made it as short, but I was completely surprised and I'm honestly overwhelmed by what I got. This is a random act of kindness, I don't know even how to name it. That's the earthquakes, the strongest earthquakes, hurricanes, etc. That's few times magnitude above that. To make it even better, he just completely surprised me. I knew about parcel, but he told me he sent me some food. I was surprised. Okay, food, whatever. That's very risky because if parcel will spend longer time traveling from Poland to Ireland, some items can be gone by that date. And then he told me inside there are few food items which would be definitely gone by that. So I was stressed, and even when I received this parcel, I put it in a place where when I will open it, and if there is mold or some stuff is rotten, it wouldn't destroy anything. But no, inside there are 30 Welly models. All are from the time when Poland was in Soviet influence zone and shortly afterwards. So mostly Polish cars. There are some German, there is Dacia, but mostly Polish cars. And then there is a set, Maestro set, that lorry with car transporter and BMW E30. I put it back in everything inside, because I was just like, what the hell? What is this treasure? If I'm dreaming, please don't wake me up. But enough talking. I will show you what this fantastic, crazy man sent me. This is Fiat 125P. P means Polish, built on the license in Poland. There is FSO Syrena R25. This is Polish car. By the way, I will make a video when I will just talk about every car here, but it will take too long for just showing that box. Then Trabant 601, Warszawa 224 in Polish Milicja Obywatelska livery. That's equivalent of police when Poland was communistic, socialistic country. Polonez Caro Plus in Fire Brigade livery. Skoda 100. Polonez Caro Plus. Fiat 125P Combi. Polonez Caro Plus in Fire Brigade livery. It's just, in Poland it could be white or red. That's why there are two color variants. Warszawa 224, just regular civilian car. Fiat 125P in Milicja Obywatelska liveries. This is white, but that's not the last one, if I remember correctly. Nyssa 522 in Milicja Obywatelska livery. Fiat 126 or Fiat Bambino for money of those who are living in Western Europe. Skoda Favorit. FSO Polones truck. Another Fiat 126. Fiat Cinquecento. Fiat 125P, and this is very famous in Poland because, as you can see, the taxi, the number on the side of the door is 1313, and this is a car from the legendary Polish comedy series Zmiennicy. It was one of the best comedies during times when Poland was still, you know, that in that communistic Soviet bloc. FSO Polones 1500 MR78. The MR78, it means year of, you know, the design. Nyssa 522 as ambulance. Warszawa 224 as police car, again Milicja Obywatelska, that's MO. Polones A2 Plus. Another Trabant 601. Dacia 1300. Nyssa 522. This one is yellow, as you can see. Wartburg 353. Syrena R20. Polones Caro Plus. Now it's in police livery. It's modern, you know, one of the last production version of Polones, and it's after Milicja Obywatelska changed into Policja. Syrena 105. The last wheelie, but not last car. Fiat 125P in Milicja Obywatelska livery. This time it's blue with white strip. And so I still don't know what to say. I completely didn't expect something like this, and I'm really overwhelmed. I'm so thankful. I hope everyone will get something as surprising and so nice as I got here. Those are beautiful cars, especially it's for sentimental and nostalgic reason as well for me, because I still remember those cars, you know. Those are cars when I seen when I was much younger, and probably I would collect those here, but in Ireland you won't be able to get those, or if you find, sometimes they will be very expensive, much like 3, 4, 5 times more than you will pay for those in Poland. Still, it is very expensive gift, very expensive, and I have no idea how I should respond, because you know, I can't leave it without you know, reaction from my side. I will make proper gift for him as well, But I'm afraid if he sent me already something like that, I hope he didn't try to do something even more crazy or same, because this is more than enough, you know. That this is fantastic gift, but this is very, very expensive, and it's better if he spent it on his own collection. But I know probably not he's sending gifts to many people. Even recently on the Sunday there was like event in Polish city Łódź, TMS, Targi Modeli Samochodowych, which is event when purely with various diecast and resin models, various scales, various manufacturers. There are tens of stalls with all kind, from parts, accessories like decals, wheels, etc. That's smallest part of it. Then you have people doing customs, amazing customs. Then you have mostly people selling or willing to exchange diecast models. He went there with box, something like this, filled with Hot Wheels, and he was giving it to random people. So you can imagine what kind of person he is. I think he is an angel in disguise. That's, you know, how I would best describe him. So I will thank him every day till I don't know how long. I will try to film opening with proper presentation of all those models, because probably for most of you those are very exotic models, completely unknown. But that's enough for this video, for this clip. Thank you for your attention. I wish you all the best, as usual, all the best for all of you, and I wish all of you gifts like this. And that's all. Thank you again, and see you soon. Bye bye.